Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I'm going to speak about two verbs, to beat and to win. They are often confused and mistakenly used in different contexts. First, let me tell you about the meaning. To beat has two meanings. One meaning is to repeatedly hurt someone or hit someone in order to injure them in a fight, like what you see in the picture. And also, the second meaning of beat means to defeat. It means to outperform or outdo in a competition, so you are better than another person, competitor, or a team. What about the past tense and the past participle? We say beat, beat, beaten. So you have to be careful not to mix it up with bite, bit, bitten. All right, now let's talk about win. To win means to get what you want in a competition because you have tried for it. To be successful to get what you wanted. So this is the meaning of win. And the past tense is won and past participle is won. Win, won, won. The point here is that we beat someone or a team, but we win something, not someone. For example, you win a competition, you win an election, you win a game, you win a race. You can also win someone's approval or win someone's trust. Also, you can win someone's heart. It means to make them love you or feel sympathy for you. Now let's look at these two sentences. Don't say, "We've always won your team." It's wrong. Say, "We've always beaten your team." The girls beat the boys and won the prize. Keep that in mind, that beat as an adjective means exhausted, very, very tired. I was beat last night, so I decided to go to bed at 8 p.m. This is the end of the video and I hope you liked it. If it was useful for you, please don't forget to send it to others and have fun.